A massive executive earthquake just hit OpenAI, and it comes at the absolute worst possible time. But before the shockwaves reach you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get straight to the story. Now, Fidji Simo, the company's powerhouse #2 executive and CEO of applications, has officially announced that she is stepping down from her full-time role. After a grueling 3-month medical leave to battle a chronic neuroimmune illness, Simo broke the news publicly on Thursday. She will transition into a part-time advisory position. Now, the immediate fallout, on the other hand, is absolutely staggering. Simo was the operational anchor for OpenAI. Her departure, of course, leaves a gaping leadership vacuum right as the company secretly charges towards a monumental public listing following confidential IPO paperwork filed just weeks ago. Now, brought in as a board member in 2024, Simo was promoted to the newly created role of CEO of Applications in May 2025 to transform OpenAI from a mere research lab into a global product juggernaut. Altman consolidated all commercial operations under her command, enabling high-profile heavyweights like COO Brad Lightcap, CFO Sarah Fryer, and CPO Kevin Whale to report directly to Simo. This structural buffer freed Sam Altman to sort of focus entirely on deep research, compute acquisition, AGI safety, while Simo ran the everyday empire. But now, that buffer is entirely gone. Worse yet, the executive bench has already been decimated. Whale has since departed the firm, and Lightcap recently shifted into a specialized projects role. For now, Simo's massive responsibilities are being scrambled and divided among Greg Brockman, Jason Kwon, and Sarah Fryer, leaving OpenAI without a unified operational chief. This sudden disruption collides directly with the mounting pressure on OpenAI's core business model. Simo's primary mandate was driving consumer adoption, specifically scaling up to ChatGPT. But behind the scenes, the hypergrowth has chilled. Late last year, ChatGPT's consumer expansion cooled significantly, causing the company to miss crucial internal revenue targets. Now, to pivot, OpenAI has been forced to lean aggressively into automated coding tools. It, of course, is a high-stakes arena where they are currently losing critical ground to their bitter rival Anthropic. Now, losing an IPO veteran like Simo, who famously spearheaded Instacart's blockbuster 2023 public debut and spent a decade running the core Facebook app at Meta, robs Sam Altman of the exact commercial credibility that Wall Street demanded in the first place. Simo candidly revealed that she has been privately battling postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, or POTS, for 7 long years. She admitted to repeatedly ignoring the warnings from the doctors and loved ones to slow down. Now, in a striking disclosure, Simo also revealed that during her tenure at Meta, Mark Zuckerberg had explicitly offered her a full year-long medical leave to recover, an offer that she immediately rejected. Zuckerberg told her to, quote-unquote, play the long game. On X, Simo wrote a haunting reflection. I wish I had listened. She noted the sheer irony of spending her days building a hyper-advanced future while simultaneously navigating a disabling, incurable disease. Moving forward, she plans to channel her remaining energy into using AI to tackle real-world health challenges through initiatives like Chronicle Bio and Coda, explicitly stating that curing disease is the single most vital mission AI could ever achieve. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the front page take on this story. OpenAI is stepping into its most volatile phase yet. Now, with its operational shield gone, an IPO looming, and intense market pressure from a surging Anthropic, Sam Altman is once again flying without a veteran commercial co-pilot. The question here I would like for you to answer here is, can OpenAI successfully pull off a massive public listing while rebuilding its entire top-tier executive suite from scratch? Or will its compounding leadership attrition derail their momentum against Anthropic? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.